Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In this video I'm working on this Delonghi machine. It's a ECAM 23.450 model. This was a very expensive machine which unfortunately has a problem with water leaking. Yeah, so as far as I tested first time now, I saw that water is not coming on the nozzle here, but actually water is dripping beside or beneath the machine. So this cannot be. Bear in mind, I did not work on this type of machine, so it's really new for me. So I will try to do my best to find the problem with it and to try to fix it. So yeah, powering up the machine, heating up, and then it will go into a rinsing mode. So we hear water pouring somewhere. I know already it's pouring here in this tray over here. So maybe you can already see some water coming out of here, and also water underneath the tray over here. Yeah. So let's go and start disassembling it and see if we can resolve the problem. Look, the machine is already requesting descaling. Okay, let's start. Okay, so first of all, let's open up the machine. And for this, please disconnect the mains. Okay, remove all the accessories like dripping tray and the water tank. Also, we see on this side, we open this as well, so we can have some light over here. Here we have the brewing mechanism, yeah, which unfortunately we cannot remove at this point. There's a lot of coffee inside. I think we have to put it back. Because I shut down the machine without so actually I removed the mains before shutting down the machine. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm back. I managed to put the brewing mechanism in the position, the removal position. Actually, last time I forgot to properly shut down the machine and just disconnect the mains, and that's why the brewing mechanism stayed in this position. So now, by pushing these two buttons, we have access to the brewing mechanism. Look how dirty it is. Now, this will need to be cleaned properly. So we will put it aside for the moment. Okay, Here we have a door, which I think we can also remove. Yeah. A lot of coffee here. There's really a lot of coffee. Let's see if we can. Okay, so this didn't help at all. Good. Okay, let's see how to remove the casing. Yeah, so I see in the back we have 4 torques with the middle point. So for this we will need to use the torques. Yeah. Let's try a T20. Yeah, this is correct. T20 torques with the middle hole. Here, right next to the power cord, we have 2 screws as far as I can see. Okay. Okay, so I already see that this part is coming out. Oh, good. Let's take the screws, put them aside, not to lose them. Casing aside, and we have access to the back side, which we already see the motor for the grinder. Yeah, the water distributor, yeah, the pump over here. So we have access to some of the parts. We see here additional two screws for the upper side. Let's start. These are Phillips screws actually, so we will need a Phillips screwdriver. Yeah. One here and one over here. I think this machine was opened before. Oops. Because this part was pried open when I received it. Okay, so let's see what we have on this side. A lot of coffee and the power board. So the main board is over here. And looks like that. Oh, this side also comes out at this point. And we have also a look on this side as well. So on this side we have the water heater and the motor for the slider. Yeah. Okay, and let's see if we can remove this upper part. So this side we have a Phillips screw on this side as well. Oh, this comes out. Yeah. And we have the upper part out. Let's put it aside as well. And now we have access on this upper part here. Let's try to disconnect the control board. We have two Phillips screws, one on each side, one over here, and an additional one over here. And then I think it's connected via a cable. That's correct. Oops. Which goes through here and on the main board. And we disconnected it like so. Yep. Yeah, so this is the control board, which has a lot of steam inside, so that's not good, but we will clean it. Moisture and electronics are not best friends. And to be honest, I don't know why this is sliding like so. This should not be. So something snapped over here. Ugh. There's some grease. Let's continue the disassembly. One screw over here to remove this part of the mask, and two screws, one here and one over here. Yeah. So to remove this nozzle here, there are two additional screws right here. Let's also remove them. So I'm thinking for this episode, for this video, I'm thinking to make it in several episodes, because my videos tend to be really long, since I don't know this machine could be various of problems, and it will be like back and forward, and it will be a really long video, and I don't want to bother you with my trials, but I will want to make it as a series, so like episodes. In first episode we will do something, in the next episode we will try another thing, and maybe in the end we will find a solution to repair it. Yeah. So this can be put apart. Yeah. And yeah, at some point maybe I will be stuck and do not know what to do next, and I will rely on you guys to tell me and give me some ideas. So again, I'm not a, a repair professional for this type of machines. I'm also learning by doing, and for me this is yeah, again, a challenge. So I'm also happy if you can contribute and let me know, come with suggestions, and so on and so forth. So yeah, so what I can say at this point is that here we have uh, the brewing head, or how to call it. Some pipes are coming here. To be honest, I don't know how to remove this. There are some screws. No, they are not here. Until this point, everything was pretty easy. But now, to be honest, yeah, becomes more complicated. Okay, so I see already we have some screws. Yeah, screw over here, screw over here, screw over here, and maybe also on the other side. But what are they doing? For sure, the problem relies on in this part, in this area of the unit, because the water is actually coming here inside the dripping tray and not through here on the nozzle. Yeah, so I see here some Allen key screws. Let's try and remove them. Oh, come on. Really big screws. Okay, here we have a switch. To be honest, I don't know what's this switch for. Huh? Something is rattling here. Yeah. I think I lost a screw or something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So it seems I lost a washer. We put it here. So as far as I saw here, since water is coming in here, this means that here is the piston. So right on this part is the actual piston. And this, where is it? This brewing mechanism is actually sliding. Yeah, so first of all, it's in this position. Yeah, coffee is getting into this chamber over here, which is like this. Yeah, so coffee is getting into this chamber, then it's coming up and going into this position, and inserting into the piston. Water is coming with pressure, making the coffee, and then ejecting the coffee through here. Since, yeah, water is somehow getting out, it's either this part faulty, which I think so, or is either the o-ring on the piston. So maybe there's no need to open it further, and for this specific defect, maybe a cleaning of this unit is enough. Yeah. So for the time being, I think let's conclude here for this first episode. So this is how to disassemble the unit. Yeah. And for the next episode, let's try and find out where the problem is, either from this brewing mechanism or the piston. In the meantime, I will also try to uh, make a little bit of research how to remove this, if this is really needed. And yeah, we will get to it in the next episode. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.